Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our WinCC Runtime SCADA, which is WinCC RT SCADA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you create a buttons and our output integrator in our WinCC Runtime SCADA. So you will see I have a logics like that. You will see I have a logics, which is I think I'm going to rename it to start. Change that. I'm going to change that name to stop, and I'm going to also change that name to output. I'm going to compile that and again download into my PLC. So you will see that I have a start, stop and output. Now I'm going to show you how you create a button. So you will see our button has now created. I'm going to name it a start, and I'm making another copy of that and name it a stop. And now I'm going to select an integrator for our output. So I'm going to my graphics and I'm going to select a motor. I think not in there. I'm going into text and graphics, add, and I'm going to name it a motor like that. I'm just showing you different things. Sorry, we don't need a text list. Go to graphic list, add a motor, select that one. Sorry, I'm going to select a motor, add that one, and also I'm going to add that one. I'm going to change that value to 0 and that value to 1. So you will see that I'm just going to show you double graphics. So I'm just delete that one and graphics and text. I'm just drag and drop my motor like that. And I am also creating a square box for our start and stop. So I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to select a start button, and in the events I'm going to enter a press and name it set bit while key is pressed, and I'm going to insert a tag, and in the PLC tag, so you will see we have some tags. Here is our start tag, and now I'm going to stop, press. I'm going to again set bit while key is pressed, and I'm also going to name it stop like that. And you will see that in the functions I'm going to property journal, and I'm going to make that to, you will see that, to output like that. I think our three has now configured. Now I'm going to show you how you create a box. So you will see that and go into box and going to check a visibility. I think visibility is not good. I'm going to add like that one, and again delete that one and create a box again. Going to event and appearance. I'm going to select a tag, also an output tag, and I'm going to name it 0 and 1. So we need to change the color of background color to red, I think to red, and sorry, that one to red and that one to green, to show you that it is now created. So you will see that both has now configured. Now I am going to compile that and start a runtime screen to show you. So you will see that I am going to TIA portal, cyclic interrupt. So you will see that WinCC runtime. So you will see that they both have now gone to green, and you will see that if it will now start latch our output. Now I'm going to change it to stop, and again I'm going to, so you will see that it will now in the previous position. I'm going to change it to start. You will see that once you change it to stop, so you will see that. So that's it. That's how that's how our momentary buttons and a graphic display has now created in our WinCC runtime SCADA, WinCC RT SCADA. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icons. And don't forget, in the descriptions I give my WhatsApp contact and tutorial playlist of TIA portal, PLC tutorials, Indosoft SCADA tutorials, Ignition SCADA tutorials, and Factory IO tutorials as well. So if you want to learn, watch my video. So thank you very much.